Okay, launch mode. Press the V, and then I guess the traction off, and then that's it. Let me try this. It doesn't work. Only wheel spin. Okay, so today I'm gonna go over with the CT5-V Blackwing how to do the launch control. So I've tried to search everywhere for how to do the launch control, but then there's nowhere videos, YouTube, anywhere on the the GM website. They don't tell you, they don't explain. Even the owner's manual, they don't explain. So I wanted to post this video just so that anybody who has this manual cars or someone who's who wants to buy one, and or someone who's just interested or curious, I'm just letting you know. So I've been trying to do it to myself, and I tried to figure it out, and it was pretty hard. Actually, the answer is very simple. So I don't know how your car is set up, but then my car, all you have to do is press the V button, then V mode active. This is how it works. And then actually this is on a little incline, so let me back it up a little bit so the car doesn't roll down. Okay, so this is flat surface, so the car doesn't roll down a little bit, but then it's fine. So what you do, you press the clutch and then first gear, and then all you have to do is just press all the way 4,000, and then you just launch it, then it works. Okay, and then on the next video, which is connected to this video, it's gonna show you the actual action. Okay, thank you. Thank God, this is it. Okay, again. Try again, okay? Oh, no lift shift. Feels a little weird, but it works.